You're self-conscious about these things. And then when it got worse, then you start having issues where there's certain foods you can't even eat. It becomes a quality of life thing where you're just losing your ability to live a good life and be not worried about what people are seeing here. I felt like I'm just piecemealing it. I'm doing like partial dentures, but guess what? They start failing because there's not a full structure going on. If I can enjoy those final years and not worry about this, and not worry about whether I can eat something or not worry, and maybe I can even learn to smile again, because that was gone. So that's why I started researching this, and I started making appointments for consult at various places.
I opened up the 3D with him. I explained to him, this is what you have. His sinuses had dropped down to where there was barely any bone there. So all the bone he had was from canine to canine. And a lot of places that he went to told him, oh, you have to do zygomatic implants. Oh, you would need sinus lifts. When I sat down, I explained to him that we could not get away, but do it the right way with doing 6 implants on top and 5 implants on the bottom. And that's exactly how we proceeded.
I complimented the doctor at some point. I said, I don't know where you hire your staff, but you have the best people or you've done the best training. Everyone has always been so polite. Everyone's been so professional, and the whole practice acts like they want their patients to succeed. That's the feeling I got. And with Dr. Rodian, I felt like he doesn't want failure with his patients. He wants to get things done, I was relieved to know that when I opened my mouth, looked in the mirror, well, this is gonna last, because you've been through a lifetime of failures. But I like the finals, and even what I have right now has a titanium plate in it. It's not there's not gonna be a breakage issue, I feel more comfortable in social settings. I feel like I can eat things that I wasn't eating before. I was intentionally avoiding. If you have the need that I had, there's no other alternative but to come here. It's all about having that feel and believing in what they tell you. This was the place that made me feel that.